Hey everyone, if you're getting the error Directx 12 not supported on your system while trying to run a game or application on your PC, don't worry, I will walk you through the step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. So now let's get started. So before troubleshooting, you need to confirm whether your PC supports Directx 12. To check, you will need to do this. So press Window plus R to open the Run dialog box. Windows. Type dxdiag and press enter to open the Directx diagnostic tool. So in the System tab, look for Directx version at the bottom. This one. If it says Directx 12, your system supports it, and the issue might be software related. If it says DirectX 11 or lower, your hardware might not support DirectX 12. So now let's exit. Next, update your graphics drivers. So outdated graphics drivers can cause DirectX errors. So to update, for NVIDIA GPUs, open GeForce Experience. And if you are AMD GPUs, open AMD Radeon software. Now for Intel integrated graphics, go to Intel's driver and support assistant website. As I am an NVIDIA user, or this is an NVIDIA GPU, let's open GeForce Experience. Next, go to Drivers tab and click Check for Updates. You will need to check for updates here. Install the latest driver and restart your PC. If you're using AMD, navigate to Updates and install the latest driver, and for Intel integrated graphics, download and install the latest driver update. Next, ensure your game or software supports DirectX 12. So some older games or applications don't support DirectX 12 by default. So to check, look at the game system's requirements on its official website or Steam page. If it only supports DirectX 11, you may need to force the game to use DirectX 11 instead. So to do this, open Steam and go to your game's properties. In the launch options, type diff. Next is launch the game and see if it works. Next is you will need to update DirectX manually. If your PC supports DirectX 12 but it's not working, you might need to reinstall it. Download the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer from the official Microsoft website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Now, DirectX 12 requires Windows 10 or later. If you're running an older version, upgrade by pressing Windows plus I and go to Security. Here you will need to click on Update and Security. Check for updates and install any pending updates. Now, if you are on Windows 7 or 8, DirectX 12 is not supported. You will need to upgrade to Windows 10 or 11 to use DirectX 12. Even if Windows 10 or 11 support DirectX 12, your GPU must also be compatible. So to check, open dxdiag again, like Windows plus R, dxdiag, enter. Now go to the display tab and check feature levels. If you don't see Direct 3D feature level 12 underscore 0 or higher, your GPU doesn't support DirectX 12. Now, if you're still seeing the DirectX 12 not supported error, try these steps. Check your DirectX version using dxdiag. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Ensure your game supports DirectX 12. Manually update DirectX. Check if your Windows version supports DirectX 12. And lastly is verify if your GPU is compatible with DirectX 12. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.